What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And it looks like Ford, man, they just can't catch a wind, man. More recalls. Let's talk about it.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Represent, got it represent.
That's right, guys. The king of recalls is still recalling. Ford now recalling 90,736 vehicles as engine intake valves in the vehicle may break while driving. Let me drop this in. This was over on Reuters. The recall impacts certain 2021 and 2022 Broncos, F-150s, Edge, Explorer, Lincoln Nautilus, Lincoln Aviator equipped with the 2.7 or the 3.0 liter Nano EcoBoost engine, NHTSA said. As part of the remedies, dealers will perform an engine cycle test and replace the engine as necessary, free of charge. Wow. Now they just got through, they just got done doing, or they're still doing the recall on the 1.0 liter EcoBoost engine in the EcoSport or whatever the hell they call that little food stamp SUV. And now it looks like all these vehicles that rock this 2.7 and 3.0, and I wonder if it's more than that, because I believe the Lincoln Continental also uses both of those engines as well, unless it was just a manufacturing defect for just 21 and 22, who knows. I know I had the Continental with the 3.0 and the 3.7. 3.7, a good engine, by the way. Runs like a champ for a long time. But yeah, I thought this was interesting. I mean, this is what's crazy. You know, I know people say that when we talk about automotive news, and people say that we heavily talk about Stellantis a lot here on the channel. And I beat on them for their profits and how much money they make. And when a company like Ford, which is the king of recalls, I mean the king of recalls, all right, still makes, or is still in a better financial position than Stellantis in terms of what they're earning per unit and units that are being sold, that looks bad. Just saying. Anyways, just a short update story. I know people were asking if I had seen the story, and yes, I did. I was just getting the opportunity to get this up for you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Is this bad for Ford, or is this just par for the course of them being the king of recalls? I don't know. You have to let me know in the comments. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.